Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on Elementor, which is a free drag-and-drop page builder for WordPress. I'm in the process of rebuilding my website and blog, so I much prefer doing this using the Elementor page builder instead of the traditional way because it's so much easier. This, of course, is just my homepage. Once you install and activate the WordPress plugin, you can start building a website from scratch using the many elements and widgets, or use the pre-made web page templates and then customize them to make it your own. There are a wide variety of professionally designed templates to choose from, like the home pages, about pages, landing pages, and many more. To build a web page from scratch using a template, choose the appropriate template and then customize any section to personalize it. Alternatively, you can use the pre-made blocks from the library. I'll add a header block, like so, and then I'll add another block, a hero section, this one right here, like so. You can then edit any of these sections of the blocks that you add. You can also add blank sections by using this Add New Section button. Then choose a section, add it, go to Widgets, and then add widgets to the appropriate sections to continue building your web page. Elementor provides a lot of flexibility to edit these sections and columns. Now, I won't get into the details here, but I will be creating separate Elementor tutorials to show you how to do this. You can preview the changes by hiding the widget sidebar so you get an idea of what the web page looks like. You can even use the responsive mode to see how the web page looks like on different devices, including mobile devices like tablets and mobile phones, and accordingly edit the web page. You can even animate any section of the web page using different types of entrance animations, like the ones you see here. And here are examples of some of the hover animations that can be applied to various elements on your web page. Since Elementor first launched, they've added so many different new features, widgets, and templates, and you can expect to see many more new features as well as enhanced functionality as they continue to develop and grow the Elementor WordPress page builder. Based on my experience using Elementor, I found it easy to use, but it does have a slight learning curve. As a new user, I'd highly recommend that you take the time to understand how sections and columns work in order to avoid frustration. As mentioned earlier, Elementor is free, but they also have a premium or pro version which has many more features, widgets, and templates. I've purchased the pro version and would highly recommend it. In this video, I'm not going to get too in-depth into specific features and functionality because there are too many to cover. However, I will be creating an in-depth demo and walkthrough video as well as individual videos that cover specific features and widgets. But I hope you found this Elementor review useful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.